Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you would replace your map light. Some people would call this the dome light, but the front one here is the map light, and then the dome light is technically the one that's in the back seat. So we're going to go over how you'd replace the map light or sometimes the front dome light. So we're going to first need to pop this cover off, and so use our pick tool or small screwdriver and be able to just pop the cover off. And so where it hinges is where you want to pop this off, because this side you won't be able to get enough space to pull it out. Right? So this is the button to press it on and off, and this is the light bulb to be replaced. You're just going to squeeze it and pull it out. And this light here is a DE3022. So you'd get a new light to put in, and then you just line it up to the two metal and snap it in. And then once you snap that in, then you'll just take the cover, put the side with the two tabs in here first, and then be able to line that up and snap it into place. And so that's how you would replace the map light or front dome light on your Hyundai Sonata. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.